McAllister into Jota. Still Jota! Lovely goal.
Put into there, understanding down the right-hand side. Good ball in and turns home! Rolls out the legs. Inside Doherty. And look for Jota. He squeezed it in. Past that was from Saiz to Moutinho. Diago Jota drifting inside and looking for
start there by Wolves, and Jota arrives! Jota has got in behind Morgan. Diago Jota! And Wolves are back in front!
It's not the best ever away by David Luiz, and that's it now! On his Premier League debut! It's Alexander-Arnold, this is Diago Jota, electric pace, and Diago Jota scores again! Absolutely brilliant from Liverpool. Jota, first touch to pull it down, second touch to find the back of the net. Good Jota, wonderful, on a hat-trick, scores a hat-trick.
Again, to Moutinho. It's a good move, it's a good and that is the second goal. Diago Jota!
Again, and it's on Jota. Liverpool can come away the other end, and Diago Jota's there and scores. Well, Diago Jota, Liverpool's first free attack. Diago Jota goal. Beautiful. Takes it beautifully. Diago Jota puts the top hat on this Merseyside derby performance. Kane, Tsimikas, lovely ball, and it's in! It's Diago Jota who scores for Liverpool. And this is Luis Diaz. Is this it for Liverpool? Diago Jota, still Diago Jota, and Diago Jota is back with a bang. That's finished it. What a return for him.
Jota ahead of him. It's Diago Jota. A rapid fire double from Liverpool, and Diago Jota equalises.
Van Dijk's run, save, but it's not kept out. Diago Jota scores again. Diago Jota, and the shot right in. Diago Jota from the tightest of angle. Diago Jota, who's got himself beyond his space. Maybe another man of space. Oh, he's squeezed it in. And it's a fine individual effort from Diago Jota.
Listen. Finds it way to Jota. Out of nothing again.
Diago Jota goal! And it might come to Diago Jota, and Diago Jota for Liverpool secures 3 points in stoppage time. Here's Luis Diaz here. It's brilliant from Diago Jota, yes! A moment of quality and a moment of class unlocks the Everton door on Derby Day. It's Diago